Okay, so here's the screen I'm normally looking at for billing out. So there's a few different ways I can start an invoice. I can go to customer sale, click here, and you got to put your code so that it knows who's going in. Then from here you pick a customer. So for a customer, different ones. And you have limited information here on the customer, just picking a name, right? And you say, this guy. And then you go right to the invoice and it has some more information on the customer over here. Just information right here. And so you could bill. Then this pops up, and that's what I'm trying to get you to get me on the website, because I need to be able to access items that go with this. So you have that. You have Control S to give me a subtotal. That's important because I always subtotal. And then here I can tender it, which would go to cash. And you could say cash, you know, you could say check, you could say credit card. Now you're asking about this, what it does. So this is says the total balance due is 532, which is the same as down here. So if a customer's giving me 100, I can just get 100, 100, 100. Keep clicking it until it's 535, let's say, and then I get cash. It comes over. It says they give them change, 2 or 3. They print the ticket. You can preview it. That's how the ticket looks right now. And it's got the information here on the side, cash, change, total received. It's got all this with the taxes on here. Alright, so it's okay, and it's back to normal. You can reprint it all as well. Another way to go is you can say, if I have a pending right here, we have create. You can do an order or a quote. You see, you have different ways to do it.
Yes,
so that would be
the internet is the new thing, and
once we do that, you can just pick, or you can go into the customer, and there's like the customer record, which all the information on the customer phones, all that stuff, and I can just say create new transaction from here, and here comes my list of what I'm going to create. So once I'm going to create a quote, an order or an invoice, and go here.
You know, it's terrible.
And as you can see, you got to log in so it knows who's selling it.
But I find myself doing it now.
Select on delivery. Do you want to continue? Yes.
With the schools,
this customer has a note. Alright, and then from here you can say convert to an invoice and layaway order, even though this was a quote. Or save and exit.
And they'll call them.
Or save as a new quote and make changes. Have different scenarios. So here I can do the same thing. And the list comes up and I say, can do this, can do that, you want this, it goes with it. And puts it out for the ticket. But this is since it's a quote right here, so a quote, it won't take it out of inventory.
And I don't have to be involved.
It saves it.
Right, because I don't want to be involved in every package.
It says it's a quote. Yes, I want to just get it. I can convert this to an invoice right here.
Where? Yes. You never know. Right now we're trying to conquer the small. Yeah.
Whatever I want, or email it, or add payments. Okay, so there you go. There's 2 different ways that things happen.
I hope that that's the situation.